my name is Hannah Hairston. This is my traffic light system for Professor Ali Satudania's EET 411 senior project class. Before I begin the demonstration, I'd like to go over some of the key components in this system. So we have north, south, east, and west directions. Each have a yellow and green turn signal here. And over here, this is the LCD display to display important messages for people crossing the road, whether it is safe or unsafe to walk, and it will also display if there is an emergency vehicle passing. Now over here we have a white indicator light. This is attached to the KY038 sound sensor over here. And what it does is when the sound sensor detects a siren, the white indicator light that's always on will go off, and all directional lights, north, south, east, and west, will flash red. The LCD will then display emergency vehicle passing. Down here is the 4x4 matrix keypad. This is to control the modes of operation. In this system, we're using modes A for daytime, B for nighttime, and C for emergency. With that being said, I will go ahead and plug up the system here. Now this is going to automatically start in daytime mode, where north and south, west and east. So north and south will start with green turn signals for 8 seconds. Then they'll go yellow for 3 seconds. And then north and south will go green, while east and west remain red. This will go for 15 seconds. Meanwhile, on the crosswalk here, it does say, wait, don't walk. So it'll go yellow for 5 seconds. Then there will be a brief 2 seconds where all directions are red. This is to allow the intersection to clear, and then east and west begins. East and west are green, while north and south are red. Yellow for 5 seconds. And then all directions will be red. And then the crosswalk countdown begins from 20, allowing pedestrians to safely cross the road. And the loop will begin again. So this is daytime mode. Now the matrix keypad over here, daytime mode is A, which is what it automatically starts in. We can go ahead and go to B to operate nighttime mode. So let's go ahead and press B and see what happens. Now they'll all turn off and then they'll switch on in nighttime mode. So in nighttime mode, instead of the green turn signal and then the yellow turn signal, we go ahead and leave the yellow turn signal on with a green light. This is to tell people turning left to yield to oncoming traffic, and this will last for 20 seconds. Yellow for 5. All red for a brief 2 seconds, and then the east and west will begin. Meanwhile, the crosswalk LCD display says, wait, don't walk. Yellow and red. Now it is safe to walk, and there will be a 20-second countdown. So this is the nighttime mode loop. Now we can also run the emergency loop by pressing mode C. Mode C will flash all directions red until the mode is changed. And the LCD says emergency vehicle passing, lets pedestrians know it is not safe to cross at that time. Now we can switch back out of this mode at any time, so I'll go ahead and press A for daytime mode again. And we are back in daytime mode. Emergency mode can also be activated when the sound sensor hears a siren that is loud enough. So let's go ahead and test that out real quick. The white indicator light will go off when it does detect the noise above its threshold. Very loud, but you see it works. All directional lights, north, south, east, and west, will flash red until the mode is changed once again. From here, let's say it's safe to cross now. We'll go ahead and press nighttime mode. And now we are back in the nighttime mode loop.